Welcome to 1220 East Pender. This live-work loft is uniquely available and very rarely available, located in the heart of East Vancouver. This is a 1-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,400 square feet of flexible living space ready for you today, and I'm so excited to give you a tour. Look at these 18-foot soaring ceilings in this work-live unit. This loft is truly unique because you got an industrial architectural modern design with these exposed concrete, plus you've got a northern exposure with all this bright windows that are engulfing the whole space with natural light, and this space you can do anything you want, as flexible as can be. Welcome to the heart of your home. You've got this 8 to 12-seater dining room table that can fit all your guests for a dinner party. But this kitchen is truly made for a chef. You got this portable island. You also got stainless steel countertops, a gas range, tons of storage space, double mount under sinks, also stainless steel appliances. This kitchen is truly made to cook a meal in the heart of your home. Let's head on up to the second floor loft of this beautiful unit that's rarely available. Here you have an office, or this space could be converted into second bedroom. Imagine being up here, enjoying your water view with the North Shore Mountains. This space could be flexible for all your design ideas. Welcome to the master bedroom where the magic happens. This is large and spacious enough for a king, even a king-size bed with 2 side tables. As you come on through, you've got this beautiful walk-through closet that you can convert again into anything you like. Look at all these extra cupboard space that you have. You've got your ensuite right here with the convenience location of the washer and dryer upstairs, double mount under sinks, beautiful renovations. Imagine sitting here, opening a book, having a glass of wine, and enjoying and relaxing down here for the rest of the night. This live workspace is uniquely located in East Vancouver. You're right by Strathcona, Commercial Drive, also Hastings, only a short walk away to restaurants, groceries, everything that you need. Plus, go on the local hunt for any pubs or breweries around the corner. My name is Denise Ma. If you'd like to book a private viewing, feel free to contact me. I'm more than happy to set one up for you.